My name is Ricardo Maldonado. I'm development lead and product owner at Suncor. I've been working for Suncor for the last 10 years. I'm in charge of the Power Platform development, and my team and I are building Power App solutions for people in the business to help the field worker. One of the key areas that Suncor is looking is just to improve the efficiency and the execution of the turnaround. And turnarounds are the maintenance periods where we shut down part of the facility to execute critical work to maintain our operations, our asset, and ensure the safety of our workforces. This turnaround is a tight schedule, hundreds of people working around the clock where the stakes are high in order to complete that work. And every time that we have to shut down the plant, this is money that we are not making. So make sure that we are just executing this activity works on time and on budget is a paramount for Suncor. The Power Apps and the Power Platforms allow me to build solutions. As a part of the business, as an engineering background, I work closely with operations and maintenance and to figure out what the problems I have. And having these tools for me, accessible to me, is able to build with this solution. And I'm very proud that solution that I built, interface that I built, actually people are using it. At Suncor, we're using the Power Apps and the Power Automate to digitalize our paper-based process, to improve the efficiencies of our workforce and the execution of the maintenance activities during the turnaround. By digitalizing these work processes, we're able to improve the collaborations and the coordination of the stakeholders involved in the turnaround. We have faster turnaround periods, better resolution of problems, better communications, and allow to execute our works in time and budget. We are also improving the operations and the employees' safety to making sure that all the maintenance steps are executed properly in a safe way. As a development lead, I found that the Power Apps and the Power Automate are user-friendly and accessible, allow me to be part of the process since the beginning, but having the professional developers allow us to build more complex solutions and advanced workflows and improve the building of the app and the sustainment of the app. With the Power Apps and the Power Platforms, I enable the business to build solutions for the business.